Ready to hang out in the garage, boy? Oh my goodness. Because we know you're gonna get right into that. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to No Luck Garage. Over the past couple of days, I've had a bit of a family emergency, so I made progress on the truck, but only because of all the coronavirus stuff, everything like that. If you have somebody in the hospital, you can't just go, you can't go be with them. You can't see them, you can't go in there, you can't anything. So basically, I've been making a bunch of phone calls, trying to find out how things are going, and it's been driving me crazy. In the meanwhile, I've been messing with the truck, trying to get things done, and made quite a bit of progress actually yesterday, and I'll show you guys what that is in a minute. I got Brody with me today. Bro, come here, say hi. Hey, nobody wants to see your butt. Where are you going, son? Oh my God. So we got the rear end in the truck and new springs with a flip kit installed. It looks a little wonky right now because the front end is, what's he doing? The front end is way jacked up. And I'll show you guys what that looks like here. Say hi, bro. Say hi, bro. So this is what it looks like. Before the truck sat a little unlevel, it felt like it sat a little kind of like this, you know, to the side and down in the front, and that where he's sniffing. So after looking at this, it's a little bit different now that it's on the jack stands in the front. This door is level, and the way that the bed kind of lines up with this line on this door, that made me feel a lot better about how it's going to sit. I was out here earlier today and did the quick and dirty way on lowering your vehicle. So we got that side in and done. I started to take that bump stop out. I'm not sure if I have to yet. I have new ball joints upper and lower, but completely didn't realize they're the press style. And I don't have a press aside from going to rent one, and I'm not going far from my house because of the situation. So as of right now, all I did was put the spring in there. I, of course, screwed this outer tie rod right up, like bad. Like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but a nut will never go on there again. So I'm gonna have to, hey, don't eat that. I'm gonna have to get a new outer tie rod, and I'm not gonna replace just one, so that opens that door up. This side's all apart, and I started cussing and decided that was enough of that. I just kind of wanted to update you guys on where I was with the truck. I wanted to film putting the rear end in, but everything that's going on, I just decided not to. He gets so excited. I'll show you the old spring that came out of the drinker side front. And I couldn't figure out why the truck was sitting crooked for the longest time. I really thought it was gonna be the front springs. Of course, I can't get it to sit level, but by the looking at this, it doesn't look like it's bent or tweaked in any way. The other one might be. I don't know. Haven't got it out yet. I might set the camera up and take a couple more thwacks at that other side, get that spring out of there. The new spring is already cut. We took 2 coils out of it, and with the thought that that would drop it down about 4 inches or so. The new tire size that's going on the front are 205s. The tires that are coming off it are 235s. Hoping it's gonna drop it maybe another inch or 2. The back size tires should drop it about a half an inch. My back tires were supposed to be here today, but they got delayed. And my front tires will be here a couple of days. I'm off in a couple of days, so we're probably gonna just wait to get all 4 of them and go down and have them put them on rims. We'll set this up somehow and see if I can take a couple of thwacks at that and get that off from there. What you doing, boy? You like hanging out with daddy, boy? So much wags. He has so much wag.
I'll cut this dust shield. Yeah, I know. That's what we're up against.
We gonna cut it, son.
Dust shield, be gone with thee. So, it kept getting caught on the dust shield. Can't get caught on it if you cut it off. Yeah, that's what we wanted right there. We're just gonna kind of 6 different things going on here. Golly. Woo!
All right, fat guy's out of breath. Woo! There she is. What you think, bud? All right, so I'm out of breath, but that's out of there. Just like I said, since I don't have a press or anything, I'm just gonna put new boots on the ball joints and call it a day. They look fine. They're not loose. They're not overly worn. They were greased pretty well. The only thing I really do have left to do, I don't know if I'm doing it tonight. Shock has got to come out of there. I knew all that. Nothing to it but to do it. New spring. This is gonna suck.
Wow, imagine that. It's almost like we cut the spring. Gee, wah. New boot. Didn't get the new boot. Okay, I'm back. New boot. It'd be nice if this just got the hell out the way. I mean, that one probably wasn't wrecked until I started wrecking it. We're gonna re-grease these two. We'll try our best to get all the crap out of here. Just gonna put that on there like that, and then when we put it together, she'll eat. That's just a big old gob of nasty. Ooh, yeah, sure. I need a lift. I needed one like yesterday. What is that? For some reason, on this side, the lower control arm is just buried into the caliper, or the rotor. For what reason? I just don't know. Why? Why is it eating it? Some pressure on that mother. So my dumbass, the whole time, had that on the rotor too. There we go. I'm only gonna kind of tighten these up. I'm not gonna tighten them for good. I wanna put the truck down and see where we sit. So everything's not really going on permanently yet. Been out here all day, haven't hardly got a damn thing done.
Coming down.
Center, for the most part.
Can never have enough seating material. That's the stuff that almost caught my garage on fire. It's good. It's good at what it does. It's also good at almost catching your place on fire.
What is it, bud?
All kinds of good sniffs, huh?
Oh my God. Break your wrist just the way I like it. Just when you think you got everything lined up, you don't. All right, guys.
You ready to see what this looks like?
Coming down. Easy now, ease onto it.
Oh, we got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. Oh my God. It definitely, to me right now, looks like the back is lower than the front. What do you guys think? It's definitely... What you think, bro? Oh boy. Well, I can tell you what's not happening tonight. I mean, it does look better. We are making progress. Not as low as I had hoped for. That's exactly why nothing went back in permanently. Yeah, the front's definitely higher by a couple inches, I think. Precise measurement tool going here. See what it says, shall we? All right, guys, so garage should be pretty level. That to me looks, might be hard to see because of the black. That looks dead on at 27. So if that's 27, that's the back one's 27 and this one looks like 30 1/4. I don't know, 3 inches to go down. I was talking to Mike about the tires that I had got, the new ones, and it should bring it down, I think he said 2 inches or so. The new ones are 205 55s. These are 235 75s. So it should bring it down a couple of inches, I think. So yeah, it should bring it down a couple of inches. The back is gonna bring it down a 1/2 inch. The back is pretty low. If I could get the whole truck to sit level with the rear end, that'd be great. But for right now, we've made a lot of improvements, and I'm holding this camera at eye level for me. Now you can see that when they painted it, they just ran out of color and said, to hell with it, just keep going, get a load of that. It's ugly. I like the way that it sits. I like that. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like with new wheels and tires on it. I'm not sure when my next video is gonna be. Granted that, you know, kind of in the middle of a family emergency right now, and I don't know what's gonna happen. So, not sure. Not sure what my next video. Not sure when my next video is going to be. Probably when I get the wheels and tires. I'm supposed to get the back set tomorrow. The front set sometime between tomorrow and Monday-ish. So I'll probably have a new video up Monday or Tuesday and go over the tire sizes, the changes that it's going to make to the truck, put the new tires on it, and then set it down, see what it looks like. And if it still doesn't look right, then we'll take some more out of those springs. Kind of hesitant on doing that until we get the tires. And of course, turbos are going to add some weight once everything else is in here and the radiator's full of water and all that good stuff. That's a whole other thing I got to take care of. That'll be a separate video all by itself probably. And then I'm just stacking the goodies right now on the shelf over here. We got some goodies, so that'll probably be a video by itself, just putting all the new stuff. That's mostly engine stuff. So that's gonna be about it, guys. I appreciate you sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like hanging out with Brody too, hey, can you show the people something else other than your butt, Stinky? I guess not. So anyway, if you like hanging out, hit the like button, share it with a friend. Till the next time, have a good one. Say bye, bro.